Hey, it's Tony talking car biz. Check it out. What a great looking rig. Now, this one is a 2024 Platinum Edition with, as you can see, some really great accessories and the 3-inch lift kit on here. Factory lift kit, 3-inch, jacked it way up. Some really great 20-inch TRD wheels. Hey, in this video, number one, I'm going to walk around the outside and I'll show you all the outside exterior features, some of the accessories that have been added on this one. And then in the next video, number two, I'll go ahead and jump inside and show you all the interior features, mostly accessories on the exterior. So this is going to be a fun one to take a look at. Let's get started. So as I mentioned, it starts with the base platform of the Platinum Edition, which is one step. Well, I guess it is the top of the line on the Tundra Platinum Edition. If you get into the Sequoia, there's a Capstone Edition, but this is the Platinum with the TRD Off-Road Package. So I'll point out some of the TRD features that come in that package. TRD Off-Road stamped front grille. Platinum Edition does have the 360 camera. Of course, we've got Tundra stamped in the grille or bumper here as well. And I love the black chrome surround on this grille. Of course, the top of the line LED headlights with LED turn signals, daytime running lights, auto on and off, and auto high beam standard. So we swing around to the side. The Platinum Edition does have the gloss back painted over fenders, and then the TRD Off-Road Package has the 20-inch cast aluminum TRD alloy wheels, and then it's sitting on those BF Goodrich Baja Champion Series tires and black lug nuts, so they finished it off nicely in that regard. But those are some beefy sidewalls on there. That's a 65 series sidewall, a 20-inch tire. And then we've got that 3-inch lift on here. That's a little over $3,000 extra. And it adds obviously a 3-inch lift to the body, but also the red coil springs underneath here. And then a huge stabilizer bar up front. You can see it there. So this is a ready to go off-road, and that stabilizer bar is going to help prevent a lot of that body roll. Now as we swing around to the side, notice this does have the power folding outside mirrors, LED turn signals, gloss black arms underneath here, and the Lunar Rock paint job on here. Down underneath here is a 360 view camera right there, Platinum badging, and then down here on the rock rail here we see the first accessory that's been added on these. So these are the rock rail, kind of a Nerf bar here by Go Rhino, and they actually have a piece of aluminum added to the top here that's going to make it slip resistant, so you're able to get in and out, but more importantly, it gives you that extra step to be able to get up on top as well. Now you see we do have privacy glass on all the rear windows. There's your QR code if you want to see how this one's built. Go ahead and hit that QR code. Sliding back, you'll notice we do still have the black over fenders, and then the TRD Off-Road Package does come with the TRD Off-Road decal here on the side. And then up top, there's your Go Rhino cargo rack with lots of places to tie down different items. Very, very sturdy. You can see it's got a Pelican cargo box up on top. It's the BX140R cargo box. And then as we slide backwards on this one, gloss black here on the tailgate. This does have the TRD or the Tundra blacked out inserts with the four-wheel drive blacked out badging as well. There's another camera right back here for your 360 and your backup, and then there's a tailgate light here. And then of course we have the step bumper, 4 and 7 pin wired LED lights here on the step bumper as well. And then this one does have the Go Rhino bump step on the back here, which is removable. It fits right in where the trailer hitch is there, so when you're not using the trailer hitch, you can put this on here. It's going to make it easier for you to get up and reach up on this rack up here, which is a long way to climb. But you can see there's lots of different places that you can tie down and add accessory cargo racks. And then largely your bed still has complete access even with this rack on here. So there's LED bed lights back here, tie down hooks in the back corners, and then we do have our 120 volt 400 watt plug-in here as well. And of course comes with the standard with a built-in bed liner, because this has a composite bed on here, so you get the bed liner built in. You can also upgrade to maybe a more rugged and more durable spray-on bed liner. That's going to be an option on there. And then this one, you can get it with that power lift gate, which is what this one's got here, or drop gate. It doesn't actually bring it up power operated, but it does release it. They are offering on the Tacoma now the power up and down on that tailgate. And then this one does not have the step up back here, which is probably the right idea, because when you're doing that off-road driving, you want to have as much clearance as possible. Down underneath is where you'll find the full-size spare tire right there. That is not an aluminum alloy wheel like the ones on the ground. It is a steel wheel. And then this one has the blacked out exhaust tip here. And notice the exhaust tip comes out here on the driver's side, which was a change when they redesigned the Tundra. So you're really going to be able to hear that engine roar from this side of the driver's side. Then these have a little bit of an accessory here. These are Tread Pro recovery devices. So if you get in some really deep stuff and you're losing traction, you can go ahead and slide those underneath your tires, kind of put it in front or in back of the tires, and that'll give you that extra traction. And then you can use this end of it like a shovel. So if you need to dig out, if you get in too deep, that's going to help you to get out of there. But those are a separate option. They're actually connected or mounted right onto the side of this rack here. Pretty great option. Gas door is going to be right here on the driver's side. And then once again, you do see those running boards on there. So a really great look. And boy, does this bad boy sit up high with that 3-inch lift. Let's go ahead and move up front. We'll pop the hood and take a look at the twin turbo V6 engine. So if you've been following the Tundra since its inception, it has undergone a number of different power plant changes. Initially, when this vehicle came out, it had a V6, and then they moved to the 5-liter V8 and a 5.7 V8. And now here on the newer, last year, they came out, got rid of the V8 and went with the V6. So this is a 3.5 liter 24 valve V6 engine, and what's really new about it is a twin turbo, so a turbocharged V6 engine connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission, and that's going to produce 289 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque, and it gives it a towing capability of up to 12,000 pounds. So this is a very, very powerful engine considering the V6, and a really good warranty program if you're concerned about the twin turbo technology. Obviously, it's been around for years and it's went through a lot of renditions, but Toyota really believes they've got it figured out. So they've got a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty on here that includes the engine and the transmission. 5 years, 60,000 miles, no deductible. Also, Toyota Care is included, so you get your fluid top off, you get your oil changes. Your regularly scheduled maintenance is included in Toyota Care for 2 years, 25,000 miles. That's going to include your tire rotations and also roadside assistance for 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. So a really great warranty program, especially when you've got the Toyota Care, the powertrain warranty, and then a 3-year, 36,000 mile limited warranty, no deductible. Great warranty on a great truck. So that's this custom Toyota Tundra Platinum Edition TRD Off-Road with all these great accessories. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. This is Tony talking car biz. Thanks for watching.